There's another picture, Sherry. Sherry.
Shh. Pie? That's enough.
They have to read it, guys.
They probably read it already unless they're stupid.
Don't call people stupid.
It's YouTube.
Okay, wait. We have to get the other sign.
Where is it? There it is. Hi. There we go. Hi.
I bet you already hit the red bar.
Hi.
That one's Sherry. The gay one. I'm just kidding.
No, you're not. It's fine, because it's true. Kind of. Halfway.
She's a lesbian. Can I have a green marker,
likes
please?
me.
I do. I'm not even lying. It's actually really awkward.
Marker. Thank you.
Wait. Wait, there's one more. Can you see it?
It says she likes her.
Wait, half gay? How does that mean?
Picture.
Sexual. Okay, Sarah's drawing a picture. She's behind us. Just drawing pictures. Can you see it?
No, don't look at me. Don't look at me.
I know.
Show them all my pie pictures.
We're gonna show you all the pictures.
Pie or vagina?
Which really it's not.
It's pie. Where are all the pictures? Okay.
Just started out as a penis.
See it?
Now it's just an elephant.
I'm gonna... Dad, we need to keep that picture forever and ever and ever.
I will. Calm down.
Show that one. Oh, no. Oh, that's you. Wait, I think so.
Yeah,
Yes.
you have to show the other one.
Logan and Skankle.
Wait. No, that's...
Logan and Sarah. Logan and Skankle, Sarah. Which one's the...
Hey, you two. She just tried to fuck my boyfriend.
No, I didn't do it on purpose. I liked him before.
Before you turned gay?
More gay than I was before. That's better. Wait, no, yes it is, because he's just really tall. He has a big head. Shh, he does! He has a huge head.
Okay.
It's a banana.
Banana!
B-A-N-A. Did you spell it? She didn't spell it.
Ring, ring,
Ring, ring, ring. Vagina phone.
No.
A long time ago. Screwdriver. I remember changing it to vagina phone. Pie. So YouTube.
I don't have anything else to read.
I thought you'd
Okay.
like to know this while we are drawing more pictures, which Sarah's... You know, you'd think I'd think of something to say by now, because this is the second time.
I know what I want to do.
What do you...
No. Firstly,
Yes.
I think they should enjoy my
Hey, I drew a picture.
I should enjoy her box. It was her birthday yesterday, and I got her this watch in this box.
Hey, take
I
that.
basically only bought it because the box is shiny.
I like it. It's pretty. I like drawing razors.
I'm sad.
I'm sad, emo. I'm sad.
I'm sad. Hawthorne Heights.
I'm sad. It's true. I mean, Hawthorne Heights is like sad face.
It's true. Yeah, I should probably not. There's like skulls.
It's broken. You broke it.
Voodoo doll. Voodoo doll.
Spider kind of.
Spider cunt.
Spider. God, Sarah.
Sherry.
Hi.
Picture delivery.
Okay, so it's 5:30 in the morning and we haven't slept yet.
People.
Power to the people. What does it say? Black. My. I'm sad. Yeah. Don't you dare! I will kick your scrawny little Jasmine-ness.
No, you won't. You love me.
No, I don't.
Where did I put the green?
This one?
No, I found it.
I'm guessing that the YouTubers are getting pretty bored with this.
What should we do? Dance?
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
Dance.
I have an idea. You'll get mad.
Jasmine, I have a picture for Sherry, but don't let her see it
And actually,
until you show you.
I'm kind of curious as to what you're thinking.
You don't get to see it until we show YouTube. Okay?
Oh, come on, what is it? You want me? Do you want me, Sarah?
No.
You do.
Sherry.
That's what I wanted to do.
Is that what you wanted to do? Well,
I only have so much paper left, and there's no.
oh, this bitch.
Hey, there's paper on my computer. Can you pass me some?
That is not.
TV.
On your TV.
No, this isn't actually paper. This is like.
You're reaching the red on the funky microphone madness. YouTube viewers don't appreciate the noise. Okay, thanks. Anyways.
There's paper all over my room.
I'm gonna put my eye right up in the video thing if you don't just stop.
Chocolate Axe is nummy. Well, not to eat, but to taste. Not taste.
To smell and to taste.
Not to eat, to taste. But this
Colors. Ow! 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 Pain.
What's the matter with you? Is it? I found it.
Get there.
I'm actually proud of myself for finding
6
it.
minutes, 55 seconds.
My eye is really blue.
We showed you pictures. I think we're done
I'm
now.
drawing.
Yeah. Okay, we'll make another one, okay?
We'll make another.
Can I say goodbye?
Okay, say goodbye and then we'll make another.
Can I draw a goodbye picture?
Draw a goodbye picture. We only
Hurry
have
up.
a couple minutes left.
You liking this?
I don't think we should talk anymore.
Okay.
This doesn't last long.
I want you back.
I know.
You smell good. I'm sure your hair won't taste good. I'm sorry.
What? I've never seen
You suck.
stuff.
Yesterday.
Here, tell Sherry.
You sucked the day before?
Sherry.
Last weekend? You sucked last weekend.
Yesterday after. I was like, no.
That would be kind of awkward because it's like,
Sherry, take my sign before I split up everywhere.
oh, this side. So like it's just YouTube. Goodbye, YouTube. Oh, very creative.